Akala ko iniwan na ng mga mababatas natin yung line of questioning nila nung nakaraang 2024 kasi alam naman natin guys na halos yung mga resource person ay ayaw na nila pumunta sa House of Congress o kaya sa Senado kapag pinapatawag sila. Kasi parang ang nangyayari is napapahiya sila sa sambayan ng Pilipino tuwing sila ay isinasalang as a resource person or as a witness. So kahapon, while I am cooking, I was watching the replay of the hearing in Congress about IPO. Actually, hindi ko alam kung anong IPO at nakuha ko itong balita sa Pinas News. So, ni-research po natin yung IPO na binabanggit ni Mr. Proceeded at saka Mr. Utering. Ang lumabas po ay ito, the process of offering the shares of private corporation to the public in a new stock issuance for the first time. So IPO is initial public offering in short. So hindi yan ang ating pag-uusapan. Kundi ang pag-uusapan natin guys ay ang line of questioning ni Cardo. Sino si Cardo? Si Cardo guys ay character sa Mara Clara na ngayon ay nasa Congress na at ito siya. Share natin. So panoorin natin itong nangyaring sagutan ni Dan Fernandez at saka ni Rufus Rodriguez.
NGCP, did the IPO proceed?
Tama yung tanong niya guys ha. Did the IPO proceed? Tama guys. Ang ginamit niya ay did, which is past tense of do, and then present form of the verb or base form of the verb proceed. So, that's correct. So, dito tayo. Diretso po tayo.
Your Honor,
No, tanong yung, sagutin mo muna, Atty. Malyari. Did the IPO proceeded?
Mali, guys. Mali. Kanina tama na yon yung sinabi niyang did the IPO proceed. Again, IPO is initial public offering. Hindi na natin i-elaborate yan dahil hindi ko rin napanood ang buong hearing about legislative franchises o franchising. Noong January 14 ito, 15 ngayon, so kahapon. Actually, 16 na ngayon sa Pilipinas, pero dito sa amin, 15 pa lang. So, it's all about legislative franchises yung hearing. So, again, hindi tayo doon magpo-focus about the subject matter nila na pinagtatalunan, but we will be focusing on the line of questioning of Dan Fernandez.
Interlocutory, Your Honor.
No. Tanong yung muna, yes or no lang, tapos saka mo explain. Did the IPO proceeded?
The IPO...
Yes or no?
Naku po,
Sorry, Your
naku
Honor,
po.
I'm trying to
Yes or no, then explain.
The
Tuloy
IPO
po ba-
as contemplated...
Ang gulo guys, kasi alam niya kung bakit. Hindi muna pinapatapos ni Dan Fernandez ang resource person. Ini-interject na niya. So kaya ang nangyayari is nagkakabuhol-buhol sila. Hindi sila makakagawa ng batas kung ganito na hindi nila binibigyan ng chance ang mga resource person to explain their side. So tingnan natin.
under...
Wait. Hindi tayo magkakaintindihan hanggang hindi mo muna sinasagot ang aking katanungan. IPO proceeded.
Proceeded, mali guys. Again, kanina tama na yung tanong niya na did the IPO proceed? Kasi did is past tense of the verb do. At ang it should always follow with the base form of the verb proceed. Pero ginawa niya proceeded, past tense.
Yes or no?
As contemplated in the order, hindi po. And if I may explain.
Hindi.
The
Kaya,
answer.
hindi sa order. Ang tinatanong ko kasi, in-orderan kayo, di ba?
Hmm.
Na proceed with the IPO. Kasi nga, nag-ano kayo eh. Nag-witness kayo eh. Ang sabi ni Eduardo Francisco, yung expert, nagpo-proceed na po kami sa IPO. Nasa initial stage na po kami. And we will be earning or we will have investor like $1 billion coming from the different investor. So ngayon, nandito po report eh. Nabasa ko lahat eh. At ang sinasabi nyo, nasa stage na kayo ng IPO. Ang tinatanong ko, nag-proceed ba kayo sa IPO?
Ayun
Sabi
pala.
mo, no.
Pwede naman
Diba?
pala,
Then
Pwede
now, explain.
pwede naman pala tanungin ng Tagalog para magkaintindihan. Nag-proceed ba kayo sa IPO?
Your Honor, ituloy ko lang po yung chronology. After the ERC order dated 10 March 2021, NGCP now filed a motion for clarification to allow...
Wait.
Ano ba yan? Nakasimangot na si Attorney Malyario. Kasi nag-i-explain pa siya, ini-interrupt ni Dan Fernandez.
Dahil sa motion for clarification. Ang tinatanong ko lang muna, explain mo muna yung, kasi hindi kayo nag-proceed sa IPO. Sabi mo, no, you did not proceed with the IPO. So why? Explain.
Ito na nga po because we wanted to be clarified whether we can be allowed insofar as the alternative mode under Section 8 of RA 9511. So
Okay.
ang tanong po nila, Your Honor, is did the IPO proceeded as contemplated under ERC order dated
Naulit tuloy ni Attorney. Did the IPO proceeded?
10 March 2021. Ang response po namin ay, doon nga po sa interim na yon, nag-file po si NGCP ng motion for clarification to allow the alternative mode under Section 8 of 9511, which is, yun nga po yung...
Wait, Attorney Malyari.
Yes po.
What is the motion for clarification all about? If there was a decision by the commission denying your petition, and then you filed a motion for reconsideration, and that was also denied, the motion for clarification should be on the decision of the denial.
Straight ba to? Kasi parang decision, motion.
That is being set by Section 8 of Republic Act 9511.
Mr. Chairman, I think we should allow the focus of this inquiry, the NGCP, to fully explain. Because once there was the decision that they are going to have IPO, Section 8 provides an alternative remedy. That's the second proviso, which I read.
Nagagalit na si Rufus. So.
Sir,
Provided that the listing in the PSA of any company which directly or indirectly owns. So can we allow the NGCP to finish? Because if we keep on interjecting, we don't have the whole defense of the NGCP.
Correct.
Mr. Chairman.
Paano kayo magka-come up with the law that you're going to make kung panay ka interject, panay interrupt?
Asking that,
Mr. Chairman,
kasi so many times,
I'm questioning the resource person. And I'm satisfied already with the answer that she...
Satisfied ka na pala. Why are you keep on interjecting the resource person?
was manifesting. Okay na sa akin yun, Mr. Chairman, basta sumagot siya ng
Mr. Chair,
tinatanong
the
ko.
Honorable Rufus,
1 minute
this is the
suspension.
time of the Honorable Dan Fernandez. And we will now, I think, NGCP, I understand your sentiments, Honorable Rufus, but I think, we will also have to make sure that the answers are straight to the point, no? I think ang hinihingi ni Dan,
Sino ba
ni Kong
to?
Dan ay
Si?
yes or no, tapos magpaliwanag.
Tambon
Yan naman
Chairman,
yung
I'm
hinihingi niya.
Ah.
Para ho, mapabilis ho tayo.
Si
The Honorable Dan,
Tambunting.
can you please proceed?
With all due respect
Okay.
with Congressman
Biro mo yan?
Rufus,
Hindi ko kilala
I'm
to mga to.
asking direct answer. I'm asking direct answer. And then I am letting her to explain. And then
Yes.
I don't know where the good gentleman is coming from na hindi ko inaalaw na magsalita yung ating pong resource person. As a matter of fact, sabi ko, sige, explain. Di ba?
Okay, so this is still the time of the Honorable Dan Fernandez. So you have the floor, the Honorable Dan. Proceed.
Okay, so nung March 10, nagkaroon ng final decision
Decision.
na denied na po yung inyo pong
Petition. Oh,
prayer for the extension.
Extension.
On August 11, 2021, may order
2021.
that was issued by then Chairperson of ERC, Agnes de Banadera, saying that the Commission's order on March 10, 2021, ito, you listen, ha? Ang sabi ni Commissioner Agnes de Banadera, okay? The Commission's order dated March 10, 2021 should not be taken as allowing or prohibiting any mode of ownership dispersal allowed under the law to be undertaken by NGCP as this was not an issue in the entire proceedings. In other words, hindi po siya issue to tackle about this dispersal ownership doon sa petition that you filed on November 18, 2018.
Ay,
So,
nako.
lapses na yung period nung January 14, 2019 at your motion for reconsideration was denied and you were ordered to proceed with the IPO and then you did not proceed with the IPO, then, Mr. Chairman, I believe that there was a violation of Section 8. Now, noong May 26, 2022, ito na po yung sinasabi po ninyo that another order was issued, this time by all the members of the commission, with one dissent, si Commissioner Maceda, declaring that NGCP has complied with the dispersal of ownership provided under Section 8 of Republic Act number 9511 based on SGP's indirect ownership of 40.20% of the outstanding capital stock
Outstanding.
of the NGCP.
Outstanding.
Now, may I know from the member of the majority who have decided, who reached this conclusion, dun sa March 2021 order, sinabi nyo they have explicitly directed NGCP
Grabe yung kumakain, no?
compliance
Huling-huli sa
the
camera
initial
yung kumakain.
public offering requirements until the successful listing thereof. Now, you have decided dito po sa May 26, 2022.
Ay, nako guys. So, wag na natin pakinggan ng buo yan kasi ang point lang naman dito is kung gaano sila magtanong sa mga resource person. So, hindi pa rin nila iniwan yung kanilang mga style or yung mga line of questioning nila noong 2024, last year. So, mas lalong lumala itong sindakan portion o sindakan style of asking question to the resource person. Nakakalungkot na ang kanilang mga attitude ay bumabait lang sila ng kanilang pagtatanong kapag si PRRD ang nakasalang dyan. Pero kung mga iba lang na mga tao, lalo siguro tayo na walang mga posisyon sa gobyerno, wala tayong mga role na ginagampanan, mga ordinaryo lang tayo, lalo tayong pahihiyain itong mga to. So yun lamang guys, nag-react lang tayo doon sa ng line of questioning ni Dan Fernandez na hindi pa rin nabago. Ganun pa rin siya. At suggestion, no, kasi bakit kaya hindi na lang magtagalog tong ating mga mambabatas? Dito sa Espanya, kapag nagko-congress meeting sila o hearing, hindi naman ganyan. Hindi naman Inglisan, hindi naman English yung ginagamit, kundi talagang pure Spanish language yung ginagamit nila. Kaya, hindi sila nagkakabuhol-buhol. Ito ganito, English, tapos ganyan, marami nanonood. Nadideceive yung mga estudyante natin dyan. Ano ba talagang dapat? Proceeded. Kapag gumamit ka ng did na verb, it should always be followed by base form. Like, did you eat? Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, did you eaten? O did you cook? O did you know? Did you go to the market? Did you blow the candle? Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, did you blow the candle? Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, did you went to the market? Hindi.